Let's link Volkswagen Audi Group to a technician profile. Go to altusdrive.com and select Manage Existing Account to log in. Once logged into Technician Profile Manager, navigate to the Security Link tab on the left. Click the blue plus next to Volkswagen Group. Add required information if prompted, either account information and/or shop information. Read the privacy policy and terms of use, scroll down, check the required boxes, and save. If prompted, check your inbox to verify your email. Select Done. Email verification is required for Volkswagen Audi Group. Click Verify Email in the verification email. If you do not see the email, check your spam or junk folder. You should see a verification screen. You can close the screen and return to your technician profile. Finally, restart all diagnostic scan tools connected to this account to sync.